This is the vector equation of the plane where A is the position vector of the point through the plane and n is the vector which is perpendicular to the plane or normal to the plane. Students, here x1, y1, z1 is the point. They have given the point. What is the point given? 1, 0, minus 2 is given. Cartesian product, because scalar triple product or box product finally gives you a number. When I try to write the equation of plane through 3 non-collinear points, I am getting 0 in LHS, so therefore the conclusion is the points are collinear. Also, one more question you can expect from PU board. X by A plus y by B plus z by C equal to 1. This is what intercept form of plane. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of planes in the exercise 11.3. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the planes that passes through the point 1, 0, minus 2 and normal to the plane I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So, and similarly one more problem passing through the point 1, 4, 6 and normal to the plane I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So here they told the point, the first problem, they want both vector equation passing through the point and normal to the plane. So first you should know what is a vector equation. So vector equation of the plane is vector equation of the plane is vector r minus vector a dot n is equal to 0. This is the vector equation of the plane where a is the position vector of the point through the plane and n is the vector which is perpendicular to the plane or normal to the plane. So now substituting. So given point, what is the point they give? Point is 1, 0, minus 2. For this point, position vector is vector A. So vector A is 1 I cap plus 0 j cap minus 2 k cap, or simply 1 I cap means I cap minus 2 k cap. This is vector A. This is the position vector of the point. And perpendicular. Perpendicular is what? Perpendicular is I cap plus j cap minus k cap. I cap plus j cap minus k cap. So therefore vector equation of plane is, so vector equation is vector r minus vector a dot vector n is equal to what? 0. That is vector r minus vector a. What is vector a? I cap minus 2k cap is equal to dot when vector n. What is vector n? They give vector n. Vector n means perpendicular vector, that is I cap plus j cap minus k cap is equal to what? 0. This is the vector. And Cartesian equation. What is the Cartesian equation of the plane passing through a point? Cartesian equation is simple. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Dear students, here x1, y1, z1 is the point. They have given the point. What is the point given? 1, 0, minus 2 is given. We call it as x1, y1, z1. And also normal. So A, B, C are normal. They are the direction ratios of normal. A, B, C are direction ratios of normal. They give normal. What is normal? They give normal as I cap plus j cap minus k cap. A means quotient of I. A is 1. B means quotient of j. 1, C is quotient of k minus 1. So A, B, C are 1, 1, minus 1. What are A, B, C in this? They are the direction ratios of normal to the vector. All of you know what is direction ratio. Quotients of I, J, K are called as direction ratios. Normal is given. These two are given in the problem. When you read the problem clearly, they mentioned this. So now in the place of A, put 1. 1 into x minus, x1 means the point 1 plus y. Y is what? B. B is what? 1 into y minus y1. What is y1? 0 plus c. What is c? Minus 1 into z minus z1 means minus 2 is equal to 0. Simplify this, it will become x minus 1 plus y minus 1 minus z minus into minus, minus into minus plus into minus is minus 2 is equal to what? 0. Or we say x plus y minus z minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus 3. You transfer that side is equal to 3. X plus y plus z minus x plus y minus z is equal to 3. So now I wrote both Cartesian equation and vector equation. So to write vector equation, they gave a point. For the point, if you put ijk, it will become position vector of the point. They gave normal in the question. So normal is also called as perpendicular. So I am using the equation of the plane passing through a point and perpendicular to the given vector. Now same thing. Second question, they gave a point. So given, they gave a point. So given point, what is the point they gave? 1 4 6 is the point they gave. So write position vector of the point. What is the position vector of the point? Vector A is equal to 1 I cap, that is I cap, plus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap. This is the position vector of the point, and they want normal to the plane. Normal to the plane they give means perpendicular they give. Vector n is I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. Now we need to write the equation of plane. So now equation of plane passing through a point, equation of plane passing through a point and normal, or we say perpendicular to a vector, to a vector, we can say vector capital N or N. So r minus a dot vector n is equal to 0. So that is r minus a. What is a? A is position vector of the point. What is the position vector of the point? 1 4 6, 1 I cap, 4 j cap, 6 k cap. R minus I cap plus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap dot n. What is n? I cap minus 2 j cap plus k cap. This is n. R dot n cap is equal to what? 0. This is the vector equation. Now go to the Cartesian equation. What is the Cartesian equation? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0 is the Cartesian equation, where a, b, c are the direction ratios of normal to the plane or perpendicular to the plane. What is perpendicular to the plane? I minus 2j k. So vector n they give I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So from this pick ABC. A is quotient of I 1, B is quotient of j minus 2, C is quotient of k 1. A, B, C you got. Then you need point. What is the point they give? The point is 1 4 6. Point is 1 4 6. 1 4 6 we say x1 y1 z1. Substitute in it. A is what? 1. 1 into x minus x1. What is x1? 1 plus b. What is b? Minus 2 into y minus y1. What is y1? 4 plus c. C is what? C what I wrote? C is what? Quotient of k. What is quotient of k? Quotient of k is 1. Quotient of k is what? 1. 1 into z minus z1. What is z1? 6 is equal to what? 0. So 1 4 6. Now x minus 1 into 1 is same. Plus into minus minus 2y. Minus into minus plus 4 2 is 8 plus z minus 6 is equal to 0. Simplify. So x minus 2y plus z minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7 plus 8 is plus 1 is equal to 0 is the required plane. So this is the plane equation. Simplifying this, you will get the required value. I hope all of you understood this. So what is the vector equation of plane? Vector r minus vector a dot vector n is equal to 0. What is the Cartesian equation? A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0, where x1, y1, z1 is a point in the plane, and a, b, c are the direction ratios of perpendicular vector to the plane or normal to the plane. Now find the equation of plane through the points. They give 3 points: 1 1 minus 1, 6 4 minus 5, minus 4 minus 2 minus 3. This is one problem. And second problem is 1 1 0 1 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 1. There are two problems. We'll solve both. So what is the equation of plane? We know that is vector r minus vector a comma vector b minus vector a comma vector C minus vector A box product is equal to 0. So this is the equation of plane through three non-collinear points. This is what we derived. So what is the equation of plane through three non-collinear points? R minus A box product B minus A C minus A, or we can write Cartesian product, because scalar triple product or box product finally gives you a number. So now R minus A dot B minus A dot, or we say determinant of x minus x1 y means we'll get Cartesian equation 5 minus y1 z minus z1, then x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, then x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1, determinant, because box product means determinant. When you do r minus a, b minus a, c minus a, we'll get this. So quotients, all of you got this. Now we'll go to the first problem. So first they want you to find the what? Equation of plane. And how many points they told? It is passing through 3 points. We assume they are non-collinear and we'll apply the rule. What is the rule? So first we'll take first point as x1 y1 z1, second point as x2 y2 z2, third point as x3 y3 z3. Directly you can use Cartesian form, because vector form is also scalar triple product. Scalar triple product also finally gives you Cartesian form. So we'll say by vector form, what is vector form? Box vector r minus vector a, comma vector b minus vector a, vector c minus vector a is equal to 0, where a, vector b, vector c are the position vectors of the points. Vector r is the arbitrary point. Or directly we'll say determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, then x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is what? 0. So we'll take the format and now we'll substitute the values. So here I'll write in the order, that is 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1, 6 4 minus 5, then minus 4 minus 2 3. So we wrote this, and this is x1 y1 z1, this is x2 y2 z2, this is x3 y3 z3. So now you know determinant of, I wrote the formula x minus x1. So x minus, what is x1? 1. Then y minus y1, y minus 1, z plus 1. Then x2 minus x1 means this minus this, 6 minus 1, then 4 minus 1, y2 minus y1, minus 5 minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. Then z minus z1, minus 4 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1, and 3 minus of minus 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to what? 0. All of you know how to expand 3 cross 3 determinant. So that is plus minus plus x minus 1 into, delete the column, delete the row, or before that before that let us simplify this. Let us reduce this. So x minus 1, y minus 1, z plus 1, 6 minus 1 is what? 5, this is 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, minus 3 and 4 is equal to what? 0. Further we will simplify this. So plus minus plus, if you take x minus 1 into, delete the column and row, you will have 3 into 4, 12, minus 12, minus y minus 1 into, delete the column and row, so 5 4s are 20, minus 20, plus z plus 1 into, delete the column and row, minus 15 plus 15, minus 15 plus 15. Now we'll get 0 is equal to 0, means the conclusion is therefore the points are collinear. Points are what? Collinear. Because I am not getting equation of plane. Equation of plane, see here, when I substitute this in 3 non-collinear points formula, I am getting 0 by 0 form. So 0 by 0 form makes it what? So when I am getting 0 by 0, 0 is equal to 0, means the points are what? Collinear. When I try to write the equation of plane through 3 non-collinear points, I am getting 0 in LHS, so therefore the conclusion is the points are collinear. Second one, so this is x1 y1 z1, second one is x2 y2 z2, or I'll write in order. So let me write them as 1 1 1 is what, x1 y1 z1, and 1 2 1 minus 2 2 minus 1, and minus 2 2 minus 1, that is x2 y2 z2, x3 y3 z3. So now I'll write the plane equation. What is the plane equation? So determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to what? 0. So here what is x minus x1? So x1 is 1, y minus 1, z minus 0. x2 minus x1 means these two we should subtract. 1 minus 1, then y2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, then 1 minus 0, z2 minus z1, minus 2 minus 1, and then 2 minus 1, then minus 1 minus 0 is equal to what? 0. Further we'll simplify. Determinant of x minus 1, y minus 1, z minus 0 is z, divide, and 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, then 1 minus 0 is 1, then minus 3, then 2 minus 1 is 1, then minus 1 is equal to 0. So now plus minus plus and expand it, so it will become x minus 1 into, delete the column, delete the row, we'll have 1 minus of minus 1 minus y minus 1 into, delete the column, delete the row, we'll have 0 minus of minus 3, then plus z into, delete the column, delete the row, we'll have 0 minus of minus 3. So when I delete these two, I'll get 0 minus of minus 3. When I delete these two, I'll get 0 minus of minus 3. Simplify this. X minus 1 into 2, y minus 1 into 3, then z into 3. So further 2x minus 2 minus 3y plus 3 plus 3z is equal to 0, or 2x minus 3y plus 3z, 3 minus 2 is plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. 2x minus 3y plus 3z plus 1 equal to 0. Now in today's class I have done two types of plane equations. Just let me summarize all the forms of planes. So the very first form is normal form. What is normal form? So for every form I'll write vector form and Cartesian form. What is normal form? Vector r dot n cap is equal to d, or we say lx plus my plus nz is equal to d, where here n cap is the unit vector along normal, and here lx lmn are the direction cosines of normal, and here d is the distance of the plane from origin. And then we have second form, that is equation of plane passing through a point. Today we have done this, passing through a point and perpendicular to vector, and perpendicular to a vector, or vector is perpendicular. Perpendicular vector is vector form. We used this today, r minus vector a dot vector n is equal to 0, where vector a is the position vector of the point in the plane and vector n is the perpendicular vector to the plane. And for the same Cartesian form is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Then we used equation of plane through three non-collinear points. Equation of plane through 3 points, 3 non-collinear points. What is the equation? So scalar triple product or box product of r minus a, vector b minus a, vector c minus a is equal to 0, or we say, where we say vector a, vector b, vector c are the position vectors of the point. For the same Cartesian is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to what? 0. This is the Cartesian equation. I hope all of you got this. See, further we have some more forms of planes, and we also studied intercept form of plane, if you remember. What is the intercept form of plane? Compulsory 1 mark question you can expect from PU board. X by A plus Y by B plus Z by C equal to 1. This is what? Intercept form of plane. Then we have equation of plane through intersection of two planes, passing through intersection of two planes. That is one more form which we will discuss. I hope all of you understood this. So please become thorough with this. I'll see you in my next session. Thanks for attending. Thank you.